With the spoon?
No? The first time I saw you were at the video. Maybe you want to remember. Wow! What are you making? Oh, okay. Finally. You know, it's cool, right?
Kaya masaya siya nung nakita niya yung mga classmates niya dati dito eh. Nung batch 3 si Hayami tsaka si Lee.
Ah, okay. Wow, that's a coffee already.
Yeah. Hi! Hi! Can I order ube cheese muffin? Okay po. How much po? Thank you, Yana. Para ma-document yan. Ah, coffee cup.
Tell us about your painting.
My baking is about the smoke of matcha.
Wow!
It's the out with the matcha inside.
Wow!
You know matcha?
Yeah.
She's a matcha girl.
And I'm a matcha girl and I love chocolate.
Wow! Good
How
job,
many
my
guys-
summer and Florida!
Matcha and chocolate together. You tried already?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't try it. Don't try it. Okay.
Or maybe the
Wow!
Wow! Yummy!
Yan. Is it good?
Our little barista, Mariana Celia Estrada.